What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video by Exam Help. So today I'm gonna be talking about how I studied for my GCSE exam. So today I'll be talking about the subject science, like sciences. Okay, so let's get right on into it. So firstly, general tips. So mainly first everyone, like we all know how we need to start. You need to start by reading the entire textbook. You read all and you highlight all the important stuff so that when you're revising, you know what is the important stuff that you need to read, because before the exam you don't have time to read an entire textbook. Next, you can make your own summary notes in some other book, so which can help you before the exam. You can make flashcards on Anki. You can do one of the most important things is solving topical past paper questions. So basically, you can go on PM Physics Maths Tutor and you can solve past paper questions which are topical. So let's just say you don't know, like you have trouble solving questions about variation, like the biology chapter variation. So you can go to PMT and then over there you can find out like how what kind of questions they ask, and then you will be better at it. Okay, so then you can go to Seneca Learning, which gives you courses. Basically, I'll link everything down in the description. It's courses about like physics, biology. So where it's just like a summary. It's where you can revise. It's like a website where you can revise. Seneca Learning. Then you should check the marking scheme. So yeah, you know what point kind of answers that IGCSE expects from you. Again, Quizlets like Anki, you can form flashcards and everything. Uh, then for paper six, you should solve experiment in graph-based questions so that you know what kind of questions they can ask. Okay, now let's just get into a bit more detail. So physics. Physics, I suggest you all make your own formula sheet or use a formula sheet which I'll link down in the description. Both of them work, but I prefer making my own because that helps me practice better. And again, just solving past papers, that is the key. Chemistry, I suggest you should know the important reactions like the precipitation reactions, the test for anions, cations, and the extraction of metals, basically reduction of ions, reduction of zinc, like from its ore. And then you need to know like the organic chemical, like the alkanes reaction, the substitution reaction, all of that. Then you should know how to draw important structures, which are like polymers, alkenes, like all those basically organic chemistry, then ionic compounds, the dot and cross diagrams, covalent compounds, and rest all. And again, solve past papers. That is the key. Biology, you should know like the important diagrams from each chapter. So basically for the digestion chapter, the entire alimentary canal. Then for respiration, you should know the diagram of the lungs. And so every important diagram for every chapter, you should know how to draw it and everything. You should know how to label it, and you should practice how to write the long answer, like 6 mark questions, like where they ask you, let's just say, write and explain three functions of xylem or something. So you should know how to explain everything, not just know the point, but know how to explain anything. So you can check the mark schemes to know like what they expect for like 6 mark questions. And memorizing definitions, like you can check them in the glossary also, or like important definitions such as what is respiration or what is photosynthesis. Like these are very common questions, 1 or 2 marks, and you can get them easily if you just have everything memorized. So that's it for today's video. Thank you for joining us. In the next video, I'll talk about the other subjects like maths and economics. Thank you.